Hello, Doug Cooper, University of Connecticut. Here we're going to be talking about how to take a video we've created with our Movie Maker software and post it up onto the YouTube.com commercial website. So we're going to be focusing on the mechanics of how to do this, how you actually go through the process of taking your .wmv file or whatever format you've chosen to save your movie in and getting it up so that it's available for people to see on YouTube. It's going to be a how-to outline only, focusing on outline. There's a lot of little bits and pieces you're going to have to test and figure out for yourself through trial and error. Along the way, we'll bring up some things you might want to think about as you make progress on your post. In previous movies, we talked about the steps of making a presentation video. We talked about defining and researching a premise, an objective, a hypothesis, creating a slideshow that had both visual and audio components to convey our presentation. We talked about the narration involved, how to use Movie Maker to combine the images and the audio and align them and to export our product from Movie Maker as a .wmv file, as a movie file. Now we're going to focus on just the last step of moving that movie up onto YouTube. Before you get too involved in making your movie, I suggest making a couple of test videos. Look at different font sizes, look at different color combinations. Try to make sure that your voice is projecting properly. Does the audio sound good to you? Does the whole thing seem to come together? Pin down the choices that you made so that this all works. Note them and then use them as you develop your final product. When you feel confident that you've got the movie that you're looking for, inside Movie Maker, click on Save to My Computer. Give it a file name. Make sure you're using the same folder that you've been putting your PowerPoint, your audio, and your image clips so that everything is in the same place. When it comes to selecting quality for the video, I tend to choose 1 megabits per second video for local area network, video for LAN. You can choose a higher bit rate. It will give you a higher quality picture. You might want to try it, see what happens. One result of a higher bit rate is that you'll have a larger movie. It will physically be a larger file. So it will take longer to export from Movie Maker. It will take longer to upload and render is the word they use, or be processed by YouTube. You'll get a higher quality picture. It will display bigger. It will look nicer. It's a balance that you're going to have to seek. Is it worth the extra space, the extra time? It's your decision. In fact, when you're in YouTube, as I show here, if you've loaded a very high quality, very high bit rate, very high density movie, you'll have the option, YouTube automatically says, watch my video in high quality. So if you're looking at very fine points, very fine images, it might be something you want to consider. When we're all done with our movie and we're ready to post it, open our web browser and go to www.youtube.com. And over to the right on the main screen will be a place where you can sign up for an account. When you've created your account, every time you sign in, you'll have access to videos you've created as well as other options as you see here. Also, after you've created an account and sign in, over to the far right, there's going to be an upload icon. To upload a video, simply click. When you click on upload, YouTube displays a video file upload utility. Browse your hard drive and find your movie. Select it and upload it. The upload utility will ask you for a title, a description, and keywords. Keep them short, but keep them useful. For your movie project for this class, I ask everyone to use the keywords Yukon, Engineering, and Cooper. Use them first and use them in that order. That way when people are searching for everyone else's videos, we can locate them readily using these keywords. So we've covered a very quick overview of the mechanics associated with posting a video to YouTube. We've recognized that there's some trial and error involved, picking the fonts, testing the audio, trying out different video compressions, looking at colors, looking at sizes. YouTube is loaded with help tools, forums, FAQs. Any question you have is answered somewhere up there if this video isn't enough. Please test your link, look at your video before you come to class for us all to watch it. We want to make sure that process works smoothly and efficiently. And please, this should be fun. Have fun with this.